Hello and welcome to IF Global Management Training. If you've ever wanted to understand project manager mistakes, you're in the right place. Did you know that nearly 70% of projects fail to meet one of their objectives? That's insane. The biggest reason? Poor project management. In this video, we're diving deep into the top project manager mistakes that can absolutely tank your projects. Let's get into it. Picking the wrong method could cost you. Before you start your project, it's necessary that you understand the importance of choosing a suitable project methodology. This decision can significantly impact your project's success or failure. You need to figure out which project methodology is right for you. This choice isn't just about following trends, it's about aligning with your project's unique requirements and goals. The two most popular methodologies are Waterfall and Agile. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, so understanding them will help you make an educated decision. Waterfall is more traditional, like a well-structured plan you follow step by step. It's linear and sequential, making it ideal for projects with well-defined stages and clear objectives. Agile, on the other hand, is all about flexibility and adapting to change. It's iterative and incremental, allowing teams to respond quickly to new information and evolving project needs. Choosing the wrong methodology can be a recipe for disaster. Imagine the frustration of a project manager trying to force a dynamic, evolving project into a rigid, linear framework. Imagine using Waterfall for fast-paced software development. You'd be stuck in endless planning meetings while your competitors are already launching. Conversely, using Agile for a project with fixed requirements might lead to scope creep and missed deadlines. So how do you choose the right method? Understand your project's specific needs and constraints. Consider factors like project size, complexity, stakeholder expectations, and the level of uncertainty involved. Remember, choosing the right methodology is the foundation for a successful project. It's not just about following a set of instructions, it's all about creating a framework that supports your team's strengths and addresses your project's challenges. Make the right choice and set your project up for success from the very beginning. Unclear goals equal ambiguous results. Don't make this mistake. Nothing is more frustrating than working on a project where nobody knows what they're working towards. Imagine the confusion, the wasted time, and the lack of direction. It's like trying to navigate through a jungle without a compass. That's why setting crystal clear goals and objectives is crucial for project success. Clear goals act as a beacon, guiding the team through the complexities of the project. They provide a sense of purpose and direction. We need to get specific. Vague goals lead to vague results, and that's a recipe for disaster. Specific goals, on the other hand, provide clarity and focus. This is where SMART goals come in. SMART goals are designed to provide a clear framework for setting and achieving objectives. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Each element of the SMART framework ensures that your goals are well-defined and attainable. Think of it like this. If your goal is to increase website traffic, that's way too vague. Vague goals lack direction and make it difficult to measure progress. A measurable goal would be to increase the site traffic by 20% in the next quarter by implementing a new SEO strategy. This goal is specific, measurable, and time-bound, which makes it easier to track and achieve success. When you have SMART goals, everyone knows what they're working towards and when they need to deliver. This clarity boosts team morale and productivity as everyone is on the same page. It's like having a roadmap that guides your project from start to finish. With clear goals, you can navigate through challenges and stay on track, ensuring that your project is completed successfully and on time. So don't make the mistake of setting vague goals. Embrace the power of SMART goals and watch your projects thrive. Communication breakdown. Why it's killing your projects and how to fix it. Communication is key. It's the backbone of any successful project, ensuring that all team members and stakeholders are on the same page and working towards the same objectives. Ineffective communication is one of the considerable project killers out there. Misunderstandings, missed deadlines, and conflicts often stem from a lack of clear communication. One common pitfall is undercommunication. Transparency is crucial. Without it, team members may feel left out or unsure of their roles and responsibilities. Your team should grasp the big picture and see how their contributions align with the overall plan. This helps them see the value of their contributions and stay motivated. On the other hand, over-communication can be just as problematic. Too much information can overwhelm your team, leading to confusion and burnout. Bombarding your team with endless emails and meetings can hinder productivity. It's important to find a balance between keeping everyone informed and not overwhelming them. So, how do you foster effective communication? It starts with establishing clear communication channels and protocols. Define how and when information should be shared and ensure everyone knows where to find important updates. Encourage open dialogue and feedback. Create an environment where every team member can comfortably share their thoughts and ideas without fear of judgment. This promotes collaboration and innovation. Use technology to your advantage. Communication tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams can help streamline communication and keep all the members connected. Project management tools and collaboration platforms may also enhance communication by providing a central place for updates, files, and discussions, making it easier for everyone to stay informed. By prioritizing effective communication, you can avoid misunderstandings and keep your project running smoothly. Clear, consistent communication helps build trust, ensures alignment, and ultimately leads to project success. If you found this video helpful, remember to connect with us so you don't miss our latest tips and tools for managing projects. Feel free to share this video with your team or anyone who could benefit from it. If you have any questions or want to share with us, comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Ignoring stakeholders? Get ready for a world of hurt. Stakeholders can make or break your success. Ignoring them is like trying to navigate a minefield blindfolded. Stakeholders can include clients, sponsors, team members, end users, and even the general public. The first step is to identify all your stakeholders. Understand their needs and expectations. Develop a stakeholder engagement plan outlining how you'll communicate with each group. Regularly communicate progress, address concerns promptly, and be transparent about any challenges. When stakeholders feel heard and involved, they're more likely to care for the project and influence it to succeed. Don't wait for disaster to strike. No project is without risks. That's why proactive risk management is crucial. The mistake project managers make is waiting for the project risks to materialize before taking action. Effective risk management is all about identifying potential risks of the project early on and developing mitigation strategies. Start by brainstorming potential risks with your team. Assess the likelihood of risks happening and their impact, and prioritize them. Develop a mitigation plan for each prioritized risk. This includes taking a proactive risk management so you can decrease the impact of surprising risk and increase the chances of project success. Teamwork makes the dream work, but only if you do it right. Projects are rarely a one-person show. It takes a team of talented individuals collectively working together towards a common goal. The mistake that project managers make is overlooking team dynamics. Every team is different, with its own strengths, weaknesses, and communication styles. Take the time to get to know your team members. Understanding these details can help you assign tasks effectively and foster collaboration. Another common mistake is micromanaging. Trust your team members to do their jobs, provide them with the resources they need, and then step back and let them shine. Stay in control. Why monitoring your project is non-negotiable. Imagine managing a project without proper monitoring and control. Monitoring and controlling your project is about keeping a close eye on progress and making necessary adjustments. The mistake project managers make is failing to establish clear performance metrics. How will you measure progress? What key performance indicators will you watch? Utilize the project management tools to track the project progress and to identify project issues. Identify project issues. Regularly communicate progress to your team and stakeholders. Celebrate successes, address challenges transparently, and be prepared to make adjustments. The ability to adapt to change and make informed decisions is crucial for staying in control and achieving project success. Avoid blowing your project funds. Budget overruns are one of the quickest ways to turn a promising project into a nightmare. One of the most common budgeting blunders is underestimating costs. Another common mistake is neglecting to include a contingency buffer. Be realistic in your cost estimations and involve team members with expertise in different areas. Build a contingency buffer to account for unexpected costs. Track your spending diligently and monitor expenses. Regularly review your budget with your team and stakeholders. By managing your budget effectively, you can avoid overruns and keep your project on track. Don't repeat your mistakes. The power of lessons learned. We all make mistakes, it's part of being human. But the key is to learn from those mistakes so we don't keep repeating them. Lessons learned is the process of capturing and documenting knowledge gained from project experiences. The mistake project managers make is failing to conduct proper post-project evaluations. Schedule a dedicated lessons learned session at the end of each project. Encourage the team and stakeholders to provide open and honest feedback. Document these insights in a structured format and store them in a centralized location. By embracing a culture of continuous improvement, helps you not to repeat past mistakes and increases your chances of success. Level up your project management game. So there you have it, the top project manager mistakes that can sabotage your projects. By understanding these mistakes and implementing proactive actions can increase the project's success. Share your experience with us by commenting below. Remember, correcting the project management mistakes takes more practice and dedication. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are some of your mistakes? How have you overcome them? Don't forget to check out our other videos on project management tips and tricks.